Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your iPhone model and iOS version so you know available HDR controls. Once done, open Photos and find the image. Tap Edit to enter the editor. This is critical because Edit gives you access to the original and HDR variants. Make sure to note whether the photo shows HDR in the top left or metadata. This tells you if the phone saved both versions. Now that you're in Edit, prepare to inspect the adjustments and the original image state before changing anything. You now look for the HDR toggle or three-dot menu in Edit. Some iPhones expose an HDR button you can switch off to stop applying HDR. If that option isn't present, tap Revert or Revert to Original to discard edits and return to the non-HDR capture. This preserves the original exposure and highlights. Another tactic is Duplicate, then adjust the copy. You can compare tones and choose which file looks better. Make sure to zoom and check shadow detail before finalizing the change. To finish, save your edits or export the preferred version to files so you have a permanent copy. If highlights or skin tones look wrong, use the shadows and highlight sliders to recover detail and make incremental changes. Small adjustments often help more than extremes. If you can't find an original non-HDR variant, check iCloud backups or the live photo frames. Sometimes earlier frames preserve the pre-HDR exposure. Troubleshooting tip: if edits don't apply, force close photos and retry after a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.